Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a 2005 Bobcat 331 mini excavator with cabin heat. You don't find many 331s that are cabin heat. Machine is in exceptionally nice condition. It was well taken care of. There is 3,313 hours on it. The machine is tight, it's dry, and it's straight. That's the reason we're taking this video. We like to accurately describe used equipment. We're going to start you right here in the engine compartment. We're going to take you 360 degrees around this machine. We'll start it and run it for you. This unit here is powered by the Kubota V2203 4-cylinder diesel engine. We've had it through our shop. We've changed engine oil, fuel, air, both hydraulics, serviced it. Air filters, like I said, have been done. The machine is extremely clean. In the engine compartment, there's very dry. There's no abnormal leaks, noises, blow-by, anything like that we have found in any way. You'll see right here at the hydraulic tank, it's right full where it needs to be. Drive motors are exceptionally strong, and like I said, all the sheet metal, very straight. Over here into this side is where your control valve will be. We'll go ahead and open that up. You have two hydraulic filters here, primary and a secondary. Your diesel fuel goes in here, fuse box, control valve, battery, and washer jug for out front. Everything in there is nice and dry. There's nothing leaking or anything of that nature. Very good and clean. There is a little dinge here in this side panel, and you can see because of that it doesn't line up here at the top perfect, but you know the car body end of it is very good and straight. Tracks, I'm going to estimate them to be 60 to 65%, both matched. You can see here that is a fresh color of black there and here. The center two rollers are very good. The end and the front had a little play in them. I went ahead and put two brand new ones in. And on the other side I'll show you also on it. Final drives, we've changed oil in them, very clean, and put the new Bobcat factory oil back in. Up front here, on the push blade, generally on the 331s that have been abused, you'll see that they're welded, broke, cracked. These ears are usually tore out. It's not. Cutting edge is beautiful on it. Again, none of the cylinders are leaking. Everything took grease. Very tickled with this machine. You can't find them out there. Usually they're all ragged out. It does have the weld in here for thumb. Comes with a Bobcat heavy duty or severe duty is what it is because it's a cast top exchange bucket. We did put 4 new teeth on it because they were getting some play in them. We did also put a brand new pin here because my dad lost it in transit. So that's all ready to rock and roll, and it is new style single pin exchange. All the lights work, boom light and car body light. Bringing you over here to this side, you will see I put 1, 2, 3 rollers here. Not that they were shot. They had some play in them. I could have left them alone. But if I'd have shipped it to somebody, they may have been upset, and I didn't want that to happen. So I went ahead and fixed them. Track adjusters all work, sprockets are good, and again, we service this side drive motor also. Inside the cab, you can see door latches, door unlatches. Seat has a couple little wee wear cracks in it, and one little wee crack back here. But it is a Bobcat suspension style seat. Cabin heat, there is no air conditioning, everything works. It does have a pattern changer. If you're a cat guy, you can flip the cat. John Deere guy, you can go to John Deere. Floor mat's good, swing boom, everything works. Wiper works, window rolls up in the cab, no problem. Front window is good. It's a nice, clean, original machine. Very tickled in it, not an aerosol overhaul. And it is radio ready. The speakers are already in the cab if you'd want to put a radio in it. It does not currently have one. I'm going to go ahead and fire this machine up. I'm going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. there for the video. Machine starts, runs, does everything you ask it to do. Not a brand new machine. There is a little play here and there in it, as a 3,300 hour machine would be. But this is not some slopped out piece of junk that it's just oil leaking pig that somebody took a spray can to. It's not that whatsoever. Very nice, original machine. The only thing that has been done, we did put the new decals on just to clean it up. Other than that, no paint work that we found anywhere on the machine. If you want to combine, run this thing yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. I have nothing to hide. It's a good running machine. 331s are getting hard to find. Good ones, they're just not out there. Guys like them. They're a heck of a good machine. They're 8,000 pounds. You could actually do something with it. Any questions or you need a freight quote, be glad to get it for you. Again, you want to combine and see it, you're more than welcome to do so. We can be reached at 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBay.